Hello, this is Jim from Land Cruiser Restorations. I hope this day finds you healthy and happy. I'd like to take a moment to talk to you about this special build. It's a 1984 FJ60 built for a gentleman out of New Mexico. It is our favorite color and probably the most requested. It's the velvet green that we developed. I'll tell you about what some of the features are with this one. We installed a Chevy 5.3 Vortec engine, made it to a 6L80E automatic transmission. We also incorporated the stock transfer case, so you've still got the four-wheel drive capability. It's got an OBD port, onboard diagnostic port by the driver's left knee. It's got new springs and shocks and steering stabilizer by Old Man Emu. It's got a custom radiator, drive shafts were cut and balanced. We converted also to the R134A refrigerant. It's got a new battery, exhaust, headers, small dual electric fans. If you take a look at the outside, we've converted the headlights to LED. All the accessory lights all the way around are LED as well. We custom designed this front bumper, rear bumper, tire carrier, ladder, roof rack, rock sliders. It's all built in-house by Land Cruiser Restorations. Take a look at the inside of this cruiser. You'll see that the front seats are German made. They're the Schnellmann seats. Our gentleman at D1 Upholstery in Wichita took the time to custom make all the door panels and rear panels to match the Schnellmann custom seats. Those custom seats also are heated. We've installed new carpet and padding throughout, sound deadening as well. We also installed a converter in the back. I believe it's an Energizer name brand. If you're interested in this cruiser or any other cruiser we have for sale, or if you'd like to have a custom build, give me a shout at 316-992-5986 so we can discuss exactly what your needs are for a custom built cruiser. Or you can visit our website as well.